big storm here right now in Philippines. So Mr. Leon pick up me in my work because I'm really wet right now. So you can take a look already in the road. So big rain. Really, it's not good. Even the, what is this, all trees right now fall down. All, what is this, post of electric right now, it's fall down because it's raining and big wind. It's already, Pampanga is the center of the storm. It's already 5 or 4, stage 4 in the, what is this, in the Philippines, the Pampanga and Tarlac.
But now don't have power all
Really don't have, because have already some post already like fall down already, or like fire already.
And I hear so many roofs is broken. Maybe
yes.
tomorrow we
Not
can
good
see.
really. Even maybe tomorrow I cannot go to work
Our
because,
terrace also all three broken.
so need to tomorrow need to take a look. And I don't know also if I can go tomorrow work.
Tomorrow maybe people not go to work. No, school closed.
Yes. Also right now I'm wet, oh. I'm wet. I'm really wet right now.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
It's there already full.
We're here already in terrace. Even our tent, small tent, it's already broken because of big storm.
Yes, strong wind before. And our cat afraid now.